A 72-second burst from deep space changed everything. The legendary WOW signal from 1977 continues to perplex us. This extraordinary event was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope operated by Ohio State University at its SETI program site. The antenna system, which was part of the ongoing search for extraterrestrial intelligence project, was meticulously scanning the cosmos. On August 15, 1977, volunteer Jerry Emin was reviewing stacks of computer printouts when he spotted an anomalous sequence. The signal was observed for a precise duration of 72 seconds, matching the telescope's observation window. Its frequency was strikingly near the 1,420 MHz mark, which is the hydrogen line, a universal frequency considered ideal for interstellar communication. The strength of this signal was unprecedented, recorded as an alphanumeric sequence of 6EHJ5, indicating it was 84 times stronger than the background noise. Emin himself was so astonished, he circled the characters and wrote, "Wow," next to them, a moment forever etched in scientific history. Despite 4 decades and 7 years passing since its initial detection, no repeat of the WOW signal has ever been confirmed by astronomers. Countless follow-up observations using various instruments, including the Big Ear itself before its dismantling in 1998, have yielded nothing. The search for a similar transient radio emission remains active, with projects like Breakthrough Listen dedicating vast resources to the quest. Experts have proposed numerous explanations, ranging from terrestrial interference to a cometary cloud, or even a distant space object, like a rotating lighthouse. However, none of these theories fully account for the signal's unique characteristics, its intensity, its duration, and its precise frequency. The 97.5% probability that it was an extraterrestrial transmission remains a tantalizing possibility for many. The Big Ear had 2 feed horns, each listening to a slightly different part of the sky for 72 seconds, and the signal appeared in just one of them, which adds to its mystery. This single instance of detection makes verification incredibly difficult, if not impossible, for the 4 decades and 7 years since 1977. The incident highlighted the profound challenges in detecting intelligent life beyond Earth and the incredible patience required for such a monumental task, spanning many years of observation. Its origin is one of the most enduring scientific puzzles of the last 50 years since the 1970s, a true testament to the unknown nature of our truly vast universe. Something utterly impossible flew across our sky for 72 seconds. This was the famous WOW signal, a powerful burst detected on August 15, 1977. A volunteer named Jerry Emin at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope, scanning for extraterrestrial intelligence, first saw the data. He was diligently reviewing computer printouts when the anomalous sequence of characters appeared. The signal was observed for a precise duration of 72 seconds, perfectly matching the telescope's observation window. Its frequency was pinpointed near 1,420 MHz, universally recognized as the hydrogen line, an ideal frequency for interstellar communication. The sheer strength of this signal truly shocked Emin. It was recorded as an alphanumeric sequence of 6EHJ5, indicating it was 84 times stronger than the typical background noise of space. Emin immediately circled those characters and wrote, "Wow," next to them, an act capturing the amazement of that moment in scientific history. Despite 4 decades and 7 long years passing since its initial detection, no repeat of the WOW signal has ever been confirmed by astronomers. Countless follow-up observations using various instruments, including the Big Ear itself, before its dismantling in 1998, have yielded nothing similar. The ongoing search for a similar transient radio emission remains active, with projects like Breakthrough Listen dedicating vast resources to this quest. Experts have proposed numerous explanations, ranging from terrestrial interference to a cometary cloud, or even a distant space object like a rotating cosmic lighthouse. However, none of these theories fully account for the signal's unique characteristics, its extreme intensity, its exact duration, and its precise frequency. There remains a tantalizing 97.5% probability that it was an actual extraterrestrial transmission, a profoundly tempting possibility. The Big Ear telescope had 2 feed horns, each listening to a slightly different part of the sky for 72 seconds, and this extraordinary signal appeared in just one of them, which only deepens its mystery. This singular instance of detection makes concrete verification incredibly difficult, if not impossible, for the 4 decades and 7 years since 1977. The incident highlighted the tremendous challenges in detecting intelligent life beyond Earth and the incredible patience required for such a monumental task, spanning many years of painstaking observation. Its true origin stands as one of the most enduring scientific puzzles of the last 50 years. Since the 1970s, a powerful testament to the vast unknown nature of our truly immense universe. A message from beyond touched us, then vanished forever. The WOW signal stands as humanity's most perplexing cosmic postcard, a fleeting burst of data that continues to baffle scientists even 4 decades and 7 years later. This incredible event occurred on August 15, 1977, when a volunteer named Jerry Emmon noticed an extremely powerful radio emission. The Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University detected this unique transmission for exactly 72 seconds. Its frequency was precisely centered near 1,420 megahertz, a frequency long considered a universal beacon for potential interstellar communication because of its association with neutral hydrogen atoms. The intensity was astonishing, recorded as 84 times stronger than the typical noise from space, shown by the alphanumeric sequence 6EHJ5 on the printout. Eamon's simple handwritten note, "Wow," perfectly captured the immediate human reaction to such an extraordinary finding. The decades of debate surrounding this singular detection are extensive. One prominent theory suggested a terrestrial origin like an aircraft reflection or a ground-based transmitter. However, the signal's narrow bandwidth and precise frequency at 1,420 megahertz makes such an explanation highly improbable. Another hypothesis proposed a cometary cloud of hydrogen passing in front of the telescope. Comets do emit at this frequency, but their emissions are usually broadband and much weaker, lacking the sharp, powerful characteristics of the WOW signal. Also, the Big Ear telescope, with its 2 distinct feed horns, listened to slightly different sections of the sky. The signal appeared in only one of these 2 horns for the entire 72-second duration, ruling out a terrestrial source that would typically affect both. The meticulous follow-up observations proved fruitless. Many dedicated attempts were made to redetect the signal using various radio telescopes worldwide, and even the Big Ear itself before its eventual decommissioning in 1998. Astronomers searched the exact same patch of sky and adjacent regions numerous times over many months and years. No repeat, no echo, nothing similar was ever confirmed. This non-repeatability is a major factor fueling the extraterrestrial hypothesis, making it incredibly challenging to definitively attribute the signal to any known natural or artificial phenomenon. The 97.5% probability of an actual extraterrestrial transmission remains a powerful and tantalizing figure for many researchers. The implications of the WOW signal continue to drive projects like Breakthrough Listen. These global initiatives commit vast resources, including massive amounts of telescope time, to scan the heavens for similar transient radio emissions from potential advanced civilizations. The sheer scale of the search, the immense distances involved, and the incredibly short duration of the original 72-second detection highlight the monumental challenges inherent in the search for intelligent life. The signal reminds us of the vastness of space and the profound possibilities that lie undiscovered. It stands as a powerful enigma, an unread cosmic letter received just once, leaving us to ponder its true sender and its urgent meaning across the vast distances between the stars, a mystery lasting well over 4 decades and 7 years.